Well, here we are, another one of our beautiful restoration projects. This is a 1995 Nissan 300ZX twin turbo 5-speed. We've done the interior completely new. If you look at the interior, you can see that everything is done in leather and suede. And it has the Z logo up on the headrest, very nice. Everything on the inside is also done, the boot, the center console cover. On the door panels, you see also the armrest. Beautiful interior. Come around the back. Back is nice and clean. Those seats are just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Very, very nice attention to detail. The boot and everything. The dash is in great shape. The door panels, absolutely wonderful. Here we come to the engine bay. Beautiful twin turbo motor with Z1 blue colored intake hoses, silicone hoses. Gorgeous car. This car is available for sale. Very nice attention to detail here with all the stainless steel screws throughout. Very nice. Timing belt service and everything done on this car.